Hi guys, this is Srinivas Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I am going to tell me about yourself. Whenever you are looking for a Citrix administration job, in every interview, the first question is tell me about yourself and how we need to tell this answer. How we need to tell how to present ourselves in interview. I will tell for Citrix administration job. So let me explain like this. My name is Srinivas. I am from Hyderabad. I started my career as a digital marketing executive and video editor. Later on, I moved to Windows admin. In Windows admin, I worked on user management, system maintenance, and server monitoring. And after gaining strong foundation in Windows administration, then I moved to Citrix domain, where I have 5 years of experience. I have hands-on experience in Citrix XenApp and Zen Desktop and Citrix provisioning services like PVS. In Citrix, I worked in administration, troubleshooting, and application and desktop publishing, and managing Citrix policies and performance monitoring. Yeah, uh, that's all. That's all about me. Yeah. So, like this, you need to tell in interview. I also given the answer in the description.